So I'm chairing a working group in the European Parliament on the ethical, first legal and ethical implication of robotics, and this is a vast domain. We have all the questions on the table. We are, of course, looking at the existing legislation, see if it is fit to the development of robotics, and well, of course, there are questions on liability, insurance, contract law, data protection, who is ownership of data, proportionality in the transmission of data and the accessibility of data, then intellectual property questions. Of course, the standardization is, of course, also a very big issue, but it is more to the industry to have. But if we want a flourishing European industry, of course, it's important that we have standards in order to create a chain of value. But this is not our first concern. And then we look at international conventions, if they fit to robots. For instance, driverless cars. All the member states have, or nearly all the member states, signed the Vienna Convention, which obliges to have a driver in the car. So this, I suppose, has to be changed if we want to promote driverless cars. And then the ethical questions are very complicated. And I believe, well, I want to propose that we have ethical committees, because we have to monitor, to assess what is happening, and to propose adjustment to the existing legislation. Must not be too unflexible, because otherwise the European industry and the development cannot go on. And what is fascinating is that this technology and the innovation is so quick, so fast, and well, everything is not everything, but many things are uncertain. And I assist to the development of some scenarios of the future of robotics. But well, we know that there will all be uncertainties, and there will be always unknown consequences. So I think we have to be very attentive to the development and accompany it. And the last thing is I believe, to create acceptance in the population, because well, people are fascinated by robots, but well, they are very much influenced by science fiction, and I believe it is. One of our tasks is to explain what is possible in robots, what will come in the next years, and to take care that robots are user-friendly and citizen-friendly to our European citizens.
Thank you very much.